Prince of Pan-Africanism live, Word 900 AM, Philly Black Talk, about to go on live. So make sure y'all get on the radio, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. FDMG Cleanup Day is Tuesday from 10 to 2. FDMG Cleanup Day is Tuesday from 10 to 2 at the school. Philadelphia Power Lecture next Sunday, June 30th. Philadelphia Power Lecture next Sunday, June 30th at 4. Doors at 3. All children are free. Charlotte, North Carolina. Saturday, July 6th. Long Island, Hempstead, New York. Sunday, July the 14th. If you're interested in taking the next Ifatunde University class, send me a one-page autobiographical letter of interest to DrUmarJohnson at yahoo.com. Deadline is August 1st. Only 40 students will be accepted. I might go a little less. One class for 12 months. One class each month for 12 months. One class each month for 12 months. We're dealing with Black psychology, war for the African mind. Okay, make sure y'all send y'all donations into the school. Cash.me/$FDMG school. Cash.me/$FDMG school, or P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware. P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware 19809. Okay, donations for the documentary, send those to cash.me/$DrUmarJohnson. Documentary donations, cash.me/$DrUmarJohnson. All right, it's going down. NIBPA, Cleanup Day, FDMG, this coming Tuesday. Lecture next Sunday. Philadelphia, Stand Up. First Dr. Umar lecture in 3 years is going down at the World's Prayer Center, 29th and Ridge, 2919 29th Street, 2919 29th Street, 29th and Ridge. If anybody needs to reach me, 215-989-9858. 215-989-9858. Word 900, 2 o'clock, few minutes until showtime. Y'all know how I tear down radio stations. Y'all know how I tear down those radio stations. Get those donations into the school. Get those donations into the documentary. We filming in Philadelphia bright and early tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning. Documentary boot camp. All day long tomorrow, all day long Sunday, documentary. Then we going to Jersey, New York, Delaware. I need some Delaware testimonials. Where Black Delaware at? Make sure y'all get at me. 215-989-9858. 215-989-9858. Somebody tap in. Go ahead and tap in one time. Get those resumes in. FDMGresumes@gmail.com. FDMGresumes@gmail.com. Ghana. If you want to go to Ghana, it ain't too late. If you want to go to Ghana, you still got time. July the 24th to August the 5th. July the 24th to August the 5th. You feel me? New York City testimonials. Get at me. New Jersey. If you live in New York, New Jersey, and you got a story, let me know, because we coming to New Jersey and New York next week. If you live in New Jersey and New York and you want to perform spoken word, rap, or song, you want to be filmed for the documentary, get at me. Philadelphia, I only have one artist. Philadelphia, I'm only recording one female artist this week. I didn't receive any Philly requests.